thorough cleaning removes more dirt, grime, soap scum, and other filth from your property. This service is more comprehensive than standard cleaning. A thorough cleaning can make your home a healthier place to live by removing dirt, dust, and other debris. Additionally, it makes everything appear and smell clean and fresh. In this video, we will showcase 10 techniques experts use for deep cleaning. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. Gamepad Cleaning. If you cannot complete another level in a video game, clean your controller. It may be something other than your lack of skill interfering with your controller, but rather a speck of dirt. Unplug the controller and remove any batteries from the controller if it is wireless. Place paper towels on your desk to absorb any dust that may settle. Carefully insert toothpicks into any crevices to scrape away any mud accumulation. Use the canned air to eliminate particles that toothpick may have left behind. Number 2. Vents and AC cleaning. This is the condition of a ventilation and air conditioning system. The outside mimics a wild animal's burrow. All of the unit's components appear to be brand new since the grime was easily wiped with water. In addition, air handling systems require annual maintenance. These attachments allow for safe and efficient cleaning. Due to their flexible design and bristles at the end, they are able to remove large amounts of dirt. Number 3. Pikachu Toy Cleaning. It may look like this Pikachu just returned from vacation with a flawless tan, but that's an illusion. Even if they stay at home, dust and germs will accumulate on your toys. Therefore, it is vital to clean them often. This technique will restore the color and purity of your stuffed animals. Additionally, it prevents damage to plastic components such as the eyes. Number 4. Couch cleaning. A competent cleaner may be able to save a badly discolored sofa even if it was once white, as the warm moisture lifts the stains without releasing excessive moisture into the fabric and padding. Steam washing is one of the most effective methods for cleaning upholstery. The main factors that increase the efficiency of steam cleaning are moisture. Number 5. Washing machine drum cleaning. Drying machines look after our garments, but who will look after drying machines? It is necessary to eliminate debris from various compartments as quickly as possible. There are several crevices where bacteria can hide and proliferate. The best course of action is to perform an empty wash every few months. Number 6. Cleaning pavers with KÄRCHER products. Cleaning pavers is equally essential. This can be accomplished with a high-pressure washer. Unlike other cleaning methods, pressure washing may quickly restore the appearance of pavers. Pressure washing may swiftly and efficiently remove all dirt, dust, grime, and debris from pavers. High-pressure water is so adequate that cleaning solutions or chemicals are unnecessary. Number 7. Smartphone cleaning. This gadget will be of great use if dirt has clogged the charging port, microphone, speakers, or audio jack of a smartphone. Daily, we touch our phones approximately 3,000 times, and according to studies conducted by germs, your mobile phone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Therefore, cleaning your phone can help prevent the transmission of germs and viruses and may also help prevent acne. Number 8. Cleaning a pool with KÄRCHER products. Swimming pools are enjoyable on hot days but require routine maintenance. Without it, they'll appear as follows. A thorough cleaning is necessary if even a thin coating of dirt is deeply embedded in the material. Among the most significant reasons to periodically clean your swimming pool is longevity. Fewer expensive repairs, maintain safe and sanitary water. An automatic pool cleaner is a vacuum cleaner made to automatically clean your pool's filth, sediment, and debris with minimal human interaction. Number 9. Removing sand from solar panels. If dirt is present on the solar panel's surface, it can limit the amount of light absorbed by that area, decreasing its efficiency. Cleaning solar panels reduces dust, dirt, and other pollutants such as leaves and insects, which could limit efficiency further. Due to their construction, solar panels frequently develop a thick layer of sand and dust. In India, for instance, this technique solves the cleaning problem. Number 10. Dirty trunk being cleaned. A car's trunk is also a dirt haven. Fortunately, this vacuum will pick up nearly all trash, including small stones, while a finer nozzle is utilized for everything else. It is equally necessary to clean and maintain a vehicle's underside as it is to clean and maintain its visible appearance. Over time, filth and grime can accumulate under a car from the road and other locations the driver may visit. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 15 techniques experts use for deep cleaning. Which of them would you like to purchase? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.